In my last Sandbox price analysis video, I covered more midterm end-of-year targets with multiple paths with which Sandbox price can get up to those points. And this video, what I'm going to do, go into the smaller time frames and show you more of the chaos, what you can expect in the meantime. Exact one range and exact one EMA that you need to know. Are you ready? Let's go. The thicker blue lines are the top and bottom of the range. The line here in the middle is the point of control. I pause this video and draw these into your chart. The 2-hour 200 EMA right now is almost perfectly aligned with the daily 21 EMA. So you have price point, and that it's your major bounce. Clearly you have bounces here, but it's getting your deeper bounces. If I go to the daily chart, price is getting saggy around the red line, which is the 10 EMA of the daily, and you have the 21 approaching. It's likely going to approach the bottom of the range as the daily 21 gets up here. But the reason I'm suggesting you to use the 2-hour 200 EMA is specifically because it'll allow you to look at the 2-hour candles and all the chaos within the daily candle. So you're going to get 12 more candles per daily, but you're looking at the same line. It'll allow you to be more nimble with your positions. I'm going to show you specifically what you can expect, how price will move within this range. You can't hit the like button without flipping your phones vertically. So flip your phones or get flipped off. And guess what's going to help me out even more? If you leave me a quick comment, even if it's a simple period without the tampon or yell something random, it's going to help out the algo so I can continue making these videos for you. Let's jump back in the charts. Mental note to yourself. Am I following at @𝐾𝙤𝙣𝙣? Am I following at @𝐾𝙤𝙣𝙣 on Twitter? All right, giggity. Let's jump back into the charts. When it hits, I imagine it will hit. There are multiple paths which price can get up and out of this range. What you should be focused on is the relationship of price's approach to the point of control. And sometimes price will just race right back up to the top of the range. If you see that happen and it's the first, like it didn't slow down here or here, it's probably a fantastic 20 bag point, profit taking point, so you could buy back at the point of control, and that would allow you with that portion that you sold to buy back at a 15% discount. It's a very highly probable trade if it races up there. It's its approach, relationship to the point of control and its approach. So the approach would be I blasted towards it. So if it hits the top line, if that's the relationship, blasted towards it, you're going to have a great sell point and you're probably going to be able to buy 15% lower. However, if the approach is more one of these, you get rejected, you base off of here, then you come up here, just a stair step the whole time, give it an increased chance that this top of the range will be broken, and it makes it less statistically probable of a good sell point because there might not be a chance in the stair step fashion that you can buy back lower. Am I making sense? So it's all how it passes the point of control is what you want to be focused on within this range. They should be drawing on your chart. Another price races up to 3/4 line here, then rest upon here, gives it another try, rest upon another one, and then bounces out, or just rest upon here, consolidates into the top of the range, then bust out. There are a lot of ways this could happen, or I mean, you could get stuck under the quarter line and then try it twice, get stuck under here, and then consolidate under the point of control and then race up to the top of the line. And in that case, chances of getting a good profit taking point defined as I can buy back lower soon, right? You might have a 50-50 chance of it breaking through the range on its first pass because of the signals on the daily RSI that I gave you in my last video. If you want to watch my last Sandbox analysis, it's popping up right here. And if you want to learn how to set up a chart just like mine, you're going to want to click this video here. And if you're too lazy to flip your phones earlier, go ahead and hit the circle that's covered. You just got Timified.